Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to recover your WhatsApp messages even if you don't have a backup. And to do so it's very simple. You will use a third-party app which is called Stellar Data Recovery, and you will use it on our computer to recover our WhatsApp chats and messages and media attachments. So let's get straight into it. First, visit the Stellar Data Recovery website and then download the app for free. Then once you open the app, go to recover WhatsApp data as you can see here. So you have two options, either recover Android data or WhatsApp data. Click on recover WhatsApp data, and then here you will have to take these two options, so WhatsApp chat and WhatsApp media. Then click on next. And here, once you plug in your phone to your computer, you will have these USB settings to configure. So click on transferring files / Android Auto. After that, go to your settings and then about phone right here. Then go to software information and then build number. After that, click many times on the build number until the developer mode enables. Then go back to the settings and scroll down to the developer's options. Click on that and then go to USB debugging. Click on it once and then click on OK for allowing USB debugging and then click on allow. Then here allow USB debugging, click on allow. After that, go back to your computer and reopen the Stellar Data Recovery app. And here, you will have to scan your device. So wait for it to be scanned, and then here you will have all the attachments that you need. So WhatsApp chats or attachments. Here, of course, I don't have many attachments to recover. I just have this picture for the tutorial, but you will find all your deleted messages. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.